Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's raining so hard out.
I know it is.
Like I could literally hear it. It's probably gonna our power's probably gonna go out. I'm at Carl's right now. I know I told you we were gonna play Roblox, but it's not working. So I can't really. I was just filming a little bit ago.
Dude, I'm so good at Minecraft right now. But we can play 2-player.
Yeah. But you guys want to see the rain? Wait, let's go check out the rain. I want to see it. And our friends do too. Oh, it's raining so hard. It looks like a flood is coming. Guys, look. If you can't tell, that is raining so hard right now. That is raining so hard right now. What do you want to do? I'll probably play some Minecraft. He's playing Minecraft.
Oh, it's me.
Bless you. Also, he has a really good world. He's like mining. He has so much loot, so much diamonds.
Oh gosh, I just took fall damage.
Yeah, but it's raining so hard out, guys.
Dude, no.
But I think we're gonna end it there, guys. Bye. Oh my gosh.
I literally. No.
One more time, I'll show you
Creeper's
guys.
trying to take it. I'm getting this.
I'll show you guys the rain one more
Dude, I
time.
need help so bad right now.
Look at that, guys. It's raining so hard. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it there. See ya. Subscribe if you're cool. Bye.